Hey, let's speak English together. I'm going to ask you some simple questions, and you can answer them out loud. Just read the green text on the screen. Practice every day, and you'll feel your speaking getting better. Ready? Let's go. Hey, what did you do last weekend? Sounds nice. What do you usually do on Saturdays? Lucky you. What about after that? Do you go out with friends? Where do you like to go? What do you do on Sunday? Do you exercise on the weekend? How long do you walk? Do you watch movies or TV series? What's your favorite thing to do on the weekend? Ha, I understand that. I often visit my family. Sometimes, I like cooking pasta. Do you feel tired after the weekend? What's your perfect weekend? That sounds perfect. We should plan something together next weekend. Okay, let's do that. Me too. What's your favorite thing to do on the weekend? How would you answer? Write your answer in the comments.